Now that you have your brand new Facebook page, the very first thing I want you to do is set up your call to action. Yep, before you get a pretty cover photo or before you write a single post, I want you to set up your call to action button. To create your call to action, click on this bright blue button. From the drop-down menu, select the option that's most appropriate for you. My favorite options are Call Now, Book Now, Sign Up, or Shop Now. If none of these options seems right for you, select Learn More. It's a great catch-all. For my fake makeup business, I'm going to click Shop Now. I'll paste in my website URL and then simply click Create. Now I have a bright blue button here telling my customers what I want them to do.